Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to become a data engineer in 2023. As you know, data engineering is a rapidly growing field, and it's an exciting time to become a part of it. In this video, we'll cover the essential steps that you need to take to become a successful data engineer in 2023 and beyond. Step 1. Understand the role of a data engineer. Before you begin your journey to become a data engineer, it's essential to understand what the role involves. A data engineer is responsible for designing, building, and maintaining the infrastructure that enables data-driven applications. This involves developing and maintaining databases, data pipelines, and data warehouses. Understanding the role of a data engineer will help you identify the skills and knowledge that you need to acquire. Step 2. Develop a strong foundation in computer science. To become a data engineer, you need to have a strong foundation in computer science. This includes knowledge of programming languages such as Python and Java, as well as experience in database design and management. You also need to be familiar with data structures, algorithms, and software development principles. Developing a strong foundation in computer science will give you a solid understanding of the concepts and technologies that you'll be working with as a data engineer. Step 3. Gain hands-on experience. Hands-on experience is critical to becoming a successful data engineer. It's essential to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios to gain the practical skills needed for the job. You can gain hands-on experience by working on personal projects, contributing to open-source projects, or interning at a company in the field. The more experience you have, the more comfortable you'll be working with data, and the more valuable you'll be to potential employers. Step 4. Master key technologies. As a data engineer, you need to be familiar with a variety of technologies, including databases, data warehousing, and ETL tools. It's essential to master key technologies such as SQL, NoSQL, Apache Spark, Hadoop, and cloud services such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These technologies are widely used in the industry and will be necessary for success as a data engineer. Step 5. Develop soft skills. To become a successful data engineer, you need more than just technical skills. You also need strong soft skills, including communication, collaboration, and problem solving. You'll be working with cross-functional teams and communicating technical information to non-technical stakeholders. Developing your soft skills will help you succeed in your career and stand out to potential employers. Step 6. Network and build relationships. Networking is essential in any career, and data engineering is no exception. Building relationships with other professionals in the field can help you learn about job opportunities, gain insights into industry trends, and find mentors who can offer guidance and support. You can network by attending industry events, joining professional associations, and participating in online forums and communities. Step 7. Pursue additional education and certifications. Pursuing additional education and certifications can help you stand out in a competitive job market. Consider pursuing a master's degree in data engineering or data science, or obtaining certifications such as AWS Certified Data Analytics, Specialty, or Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineer Associate. Coding boot camps focused on data engineering can also provide an accelerated path to gaining the technical skills needed for the job. In conclusion, becoming a data engineer in 2023 requires a combination of technical skills, hands-on experience, and soft skills. It's essential to develop a strong foundation in computer science, gain hands-on experience, and master key technologies. Keeping up with industry trends and networking with other professionals in the field will also help you stay current and grow your career. Pursuing additional education and certifications can further differentiate you from other job candidates and make you more attractive to potential employers. So, if you're interested in becoming a data engineer, keep these essential steps in mind. It's an exciting time to be in the field, and with the right skills and mindset, you can build a successful and rewarding career. Remember to continue learning, networking, and building relationships with others in the industry to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Thank you for watching this video on how to become a data engineer in 2023. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you have any tips to share about becoming a data engineer. We'd love to hear from you.